So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and then type in services. Click on it. Now once you run this, we're going to click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service. You're going to double click on it. Now once you run this, you're going to change the startup type to automatic and then click on Start. And now you're going to click on Log On. You want to make sure that local system account has been checked and then click on OK. Now once you do that, we're going to scroll down until we find DCOM Server Process Launcher. Here it is. You're going to double click on it and do the same thing. Make sure that the startup type is on automatic and that the service is running and then click on OK. Now we're going to scroll down until we find Remote Procedure Call. Here it is. You're going to do the same thing. Double click on it, change this to automatic, and then put the service status as running and click on OK. There's also another one under it as well. Double click on it, change this to automatic, click on Start, and then click on OK. You'll do the same thing for Windows Defender Firewall. So scroll down until we find Windows Defender Firewall. Double click on it, make sure it's on automatic, and then click on Start, which will make it running. You want to do the same thing for Windows Update as well. So scroll down until we find Windows Update. Double click on it, change this to automatic, and then click on Start, which will then make the service running. Then click on OK. But if it was already running when you got to this stage, you want to click on Restart the service. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and then type in Troubleshoot Settings. Click on it. Now once you run this, you're going to click on Other Troubleshooters. And then next to Windows Update, you want to click on Run. And then it's going to run this. If there's any problems, it will fix it for you. Now once you complete both these steps, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.